Hello friends of software entertainment. Today I want to show you how you can rename multiple files and the full path name to make it better for SEO, search engine optimization for your content management system. Have much fun after the intro. And here we go, live to our terminal. We have played some water polo game here and make 2 victories in Hamburg against the teams there. And we have now nice pictures. And they asked me to upload it to our Sulu CMS system. And so I want to have a real good file name that it is good for the alternative text directly in the content management system, what is based on the file name, and also the file name is also searched by Google. So I want to rename this here to something like DSV 98 Water Polo Hamburg with a counter. And so you see now here we have this XP 313427. So we have here a number what has something like a shuffle mode. Then we have some string part, and here is also a date. So we have this 15/1 and 16/1 from the weekend, and I want to rename this full thing here. Now you can just use ZMV to do this with a little script what is also here in the video description. So we need here some Linux terminal command like count, and now you see here my auto-completion, and we will check the parts here. So we have this count starting on 1, and after this we will do the ZMV command and replace the full name in front of .jpg to a new file name, and on the end there is a counter, and maybe because we are here on the English tutorial we say water polo, and I just hit enter, and now I have here my result. So far so good. When this video helps you, please thumb it up. Follow this channel here, and it would be great to hear from you some feedback about my videos, and see you. Bye.